Hi, my name is Shelley McGovern and I am the life skills teacher here at Summit Lakes Middle School. Wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I live here in Lee's Summit with my 3 children, Madeline, Riley, and Jimmy. Madeline's a freshman this year at Missouri State University. Riley is a junior at Lee's Summit West, and Jimmy is a sophomore at Lee's Summit High School. I also have 2 adorable fur babies, Callie and Georgie. I earned my bachelor's degree at the University of Northern Iowa in 1996. I then went on to complete my master's degree in 2001 through the University of Central Missouri. I've taught life skills here at Summit Lakes from 2000 until 2005, and then I stayed home with my kids for a few years, and then I returned in 2009, and I have been here ever since. Wanted to talk about the areas of focus that we have here at Summit Lakes. Every day we focus on academics and IEP goals. We work on social skills throughout everything we do every day. We work on vocational skills, self-help skills, daily living skills, and recreation and leisure skills. Last year, we had the opportunity to open a school store, and it's been wonderful. The kids will learn a lot of vocational skills, social skills through running the store. We do all the inventory, all the ordering. We count all of the money. It's provided some great opportunities for the class. Things are going to look a little different this year in our school store, but it's still going to be a great asset to us. I'd like to introduce a few of our amazing paraprofessionals. Let's start off with Mrs. Carpenter and Mrs. Wilson.
Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Wilson, and I'm Mrs. Carpenter. Our
Next is Mrs. Hutton.
Hi, my name is Tristan.
And last but not least, Miss Schulenberg.
Hello, Allison. I'm Mrs. Schulenberg.
Here's my contact information. Feel free to email me anytime. If you send me an email, I will get back with you that very same day. If you needed to leave me a voicemail, I have the number there listed. And then, of course, if you ever need to speak with me immediately, you can certainly call the main office and just let them know that, and they'll go ahead and try to find me. So if you have an urgent need, we can take care of that right away. I look forward to working with you and your students this year. It's going to be a great year.